Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Hansgrohe kitchen faucets. Hansgrohe is renowned for its quality, innovation, and stylish designs, making it a top choice for homeowners and designers alike. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 3 Hansgrohe kitchen faucets, so let's get started. First up on our list is the Hansgrohe Chrome 06462000 single-handle kitchen faucet. This faucet combines elegance with practicality, making it a standout choice for any kitchen. Its sleek chrome finish adds a touch of modernity to your space, while the single-handle design offers effortless control over water temperature and flow. One of the standout features of this faucet is its high arc spout, which provides ample clearance for filling and cleaning large pots and pans. The spout can swivel 150 degrees, offering flexibility and convenience in your daily kitchen tasks. Plus, the quick clean technology makes it easy to remove limescale and dirt, ensuring long-lasting performance and a sparkling finish. Here are some additional features of the Hansgrohe Chrome 06462000 single-handle kitchen faucet. Magnetic docking. The spray head securely clicks into place after use thanks to a powerful magnet. Quick clean spray head. The silicone spray nozzles can be easily wiped clean of mineral buildup. With a finger for a sparkling clean look. Integrated double backflow prevention. This feature helps to prevent contaminated water from flowing back into the clean water supply. PEX hoses. The included PEX hoses are flexible and easy to install, and they are also resistant to kinking and corrosion. Limited lifetime warranty. Hansgrohe warrants this faucet to be free from defects in material and workmanship for the lifetime of the original owner. Here are some pros and cons about Hansgrohe single-handle kitchen faucet. Pros: German quality and design. Pull-out spout with multiple spray modes. Easy installation. Durability. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons: limited spray modes. Flow rate. Single-hole bestblet sold separately. Potentially difficult cleaning. Overall, the Hansgrohe Chrome 06462000 single-handle kitchen faucet is a high-quality and stylish option, with a reputation for durability. However, the limited spray modes, flow rate, and higher price point might be drawbacks for some users. Consider your priorities and budget carefully before making a decision. Next up, we have the Hansgrohe 71,844,671 Allegro and black bar kitchen faucet. If you're looking to make a bold statement in your kitchen, this faucet is sure to impress. Its striking black finish adds a touch of sophistication and drama to any space. While its sleek design complements a variety of kitchen styles, this faucet features a high arc spout and a pull-down spray head, providing maximum flexibility and convenience for all your kitchen tasks. Whether you're washing dishes, filling pots, or rinsing fruits and vegetables, the Allegro and black bar kitchen faucet delivers exceptional performance with style. Plus, the MagFit magnetic docking ensures that the spray head snaps securely into place every time. Here are some of the features of the Hansgrohe 71,844,671 Allegro and black bar kitchen faucet. Matte black finish. The faucet has a modern matte black finish that will complement any kitchen decor. Pull-down spray head. The spray head can be pulled down to reach all areas of the sink, making it easy to clean dishes and pots. 2 spray modes. The spray head has 2 spray modes: a stream mode for filling pots and a spray mode for cleaning. MagFit magnetic docking. The spray head magnetically docks to the spout, making it easy to keep it in place. Quick clean technology. The faucet has quick clean technology, which makes it easy to remove limescale and mineral deposits. Single hole mount. The faucet mounts in a single hole, making it easy to install. Limited lifetime warranty. The faucet is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some additional features that you may want to consider. The faucet has a flow rate of 1.75 gallons per minute GPM. The spout has a reach of 8.3 inches. The faucet is 22.8 inches tall. The faucet is ADA compliant. The Hansgrohe 71,844,671 Allegro and black bar kitchen faucet is a well-made and stylish faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. The Hansgrohe 71,844,671 Allegro N Black bar kitchen faucet, pros and cons. Pros: design and style, functionality, convenience, durability, water efficiency, easy cleaning, limited lifetime warranty, ADA compliant. Cons: fingerprint prone, limited reach, single hole mount, replacement parts. Overall, the Hansgrohe 71,844,671 Allegro and Black Bar Kitchen Faucet is a high-quality, stylish, and functional option for homeowners who are willing to invest in a premium product. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider your individual needs and budget before making a decision. Last but not least, we have the Hansgrohe 74,810,671 Zesis Black Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet. This faucet exudes elegance and sophistication with its sleek black finish and minimalist design. It's the perfect choice for those who appreciate understated luxury in their kitchen. The Zesis Black Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet features a solid brass construction for durability and reliability. The single-handle design allows for easy temperature and flow control, while the high-arc spout provides ample clearance for your largest pots and pans. Plus, the ceramic cartridge ensures smooth and precise operation, while the quick clean technology makes maintenance a breeze. Here are some of the features of the Hansgrohe 74,810,671 Zesis Black Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet. Single hole installation. This faucet can be installed in a single hole in your countertop, which is a more modern look than traditional 3-hole faucets. Pull-out spray head. The spray head can be pulled out of the faucet body to reach all areas of your sink, making it easy to rinse dishes and clean the sink. 2 spray modes. The spray head has 2 spray modes, a regular stream and a shower spray. The regular stream is perfect for filling pots and pans, while the shower spray is ideal for rinsing dishes and cleaning the sink. Quick clean technology. The spray head has silicone nozzles that can be rubbed clean to remove mineral buildup, making it easy to keep the faucet looking its best. Solid brass construction. The faucet is made of solid brass, which is a durable material that will resist corrosion and rust. PVD finish. The faucet has a PVD finish, which is a type of plating that is more scratch resistant and durable than traditional finishes. 1.5 GPM flow rate. The faucet has a 1.5 GPM flow rate, which is WaterSense certified to help you conserve water. ADA compliant. The faucet is ADA compliant, which means it is designed to be accessible to people with disabilities. The Hansgrohe 74,810,671 Zesis Black Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is made with high-quality materials. It is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a modern and efficient faucet for their kitchen. Here are some additional features that you may want to consider. The faucet comes with a lifetime warranty. The faucet is available in 3 finishes: matte black, chrome, and stainless steel. The faucet has a deck plate that can be used to cover up existing holes in your countertop. The faucet is easy to install. Hansgrohe 74,810,671 Zesis Black Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: design and style, functionality, durability, water efficiency, brand reputation, easy cleaning. Cons: installation, matte black finish, limited flow rate, single spray pattern option. Overall, the Hansgrohe 74,810,671 Zesis Black Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet is a high-quality, stylish, and functional faucet that is a good choice for homeowners who are looking for a premium product. However, the price tag and limited flow rate may be drawbacks for some buyers. Consider your budget, needs, and preferences before making a decision. Finally, Hansgrohe offers a wide range of kitchen faucets to suit every style and need. Whether you prefer the sleek chrome finish of the 06462000, the bold black design of the Allegro N, or the understated elegance of the Zesis, you can't go wrong with Hansgrohe. Which of these faucets is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.